Hi, welcome to the quick demonstration of Inventory Restocking Expenses Tracker. Today we're going to see how we can utilize inventory restocking expenses in a Notion template. So first of all, let me quickly disable my webcam so that you can see the entire screen. And let me quickly jump onto the expense tracker that we are talking about. So this is the inventory restocking expenses where you can see that we have got a category on the top which lists out all the categories that has been added in the template. Then there is a summary section which shows total budgeted expense, the actual expenses incurred, the difference between the both, and the percentage of the actual expenses that we have incurred in comparison to the budget. Okay. So underneath this, we have an expenses section which is in the form of a table where you can add the date, the name of the expense, the category of the expense, the vendor, amount. If the expense is of a recurring nature, we can use this checkbox. Then there's payment method, status, and the notes. Okay, so once you update all these values, you can see that everything also get updated under this category head. As an example, we have added office supplies under the category of office. So if I change this budget amount figure to, let's say, $3,000, and the actual expense is $1,000, then we have a 33% budget that is consumed. Okay, so once you change all these values, everything gets updated directly on the category side of things, and you can keep on adding expenses and update the values, and everything will automatically show over here under the budgeted head and the actual head as well. Now, moving on to the summary section, it just shows the total budgeted expense that was set. So we had set a total budget of 3,400 plus 3,000 and 3,000. So if you change this budget value, everything also gets updated on the summary side of things as well. Okay. And then we have the actual expenses, which is derived from here, the difference between the both and the percentage of the total expenses incurred. Okay. This is how you can utilize inventory restocking expense tracker to keep track of all your inventory restocking expenses. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you.